In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to choose or how to change your favorite subtitle language on your Samsung Smart TV. So from the home screen, just go to settings, then go to all settings. On the all settings window, scroll down to general and privacy, and then go to accessibility, and then under accessibility, scroll down to subtitle settings. Select that, and then you can come down here and choose your primary subtitle language, which is basically your preferred. So you can enable subtitles first, and then you can go to the preferred subtitle language or the favorite subtitle language. Select that, and then choose your preferred. So it could be primary or secondary subtitle language. So the primary, you can choose English, and maybe as a secondary subtitle language you can choose maybe some like French, or yeah. So the primary is your favorite subtitle language, and that is basically how to change or how to choose the favorite or the primary subtitle language on your Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.